Good day, Red Spartans. Good day, Sir Glenn, and good day to the world of YouTube. For this video, we'll present to you our Python project entitled Sparsistance, the Ultimate Engineering Assistant. And now, without further ado, let's begin this presentation. So for the first one, this code has a 903 block of codes. So let's make this presentation a little bit short. So now let's begin. So first here is the dictionary for the lesson links that will be discussed in the latter part of this video. Then for this we have our logo. We print our logo. We use ASC2 for our logo. Then here we have our opening note. And now let's proceed to the structure of this code. So in this we have a loop for these 5 operations, while inside that loop we have an individual loop for the individual operations. Now let's proceed. It will ask the user to input the operations from 1 to 5 that correspond to a certain nested if statement. So first we have here the Jhon calculator. First it will print all of the available subjects. Then after that it will ask the user to enter the numbers of subjects. It will range from 1 to 9 that corresponds to a specific nested if statement. As you can see, if it's equals to 8, then it has an 8 subject, 8 units, and 8 grade. Then after that, the Jhon will be printed, and then it will undergo to another nested if statement in which it will calculate the verbal interpretation of the Jhon. After it has been printed, it will ask the user if they want to repeat the whole process again. If yes, it will undergo to the loop, and if no, it will break. Now let's proceed to the operation 2, the lesson links library. For the first one, it will print all available links. So here are the categories. Then it will ask the user to input the category from A to E. Then after that, they will choose here on what lesson number they want to choose. And this nested if statement is just for the visuals for this. So after that, it will print the value, which is the category, then the number. Then in this one, this is the lesson link from the dictionary. And again, it will ask the user if they want to repeat it again. Next, let's proceed to the operation 3, in which it is the conversion calculator. As you can see, we have here 15 available calculations. Then it will ask the user to choose from that. Then it will undergo again to another nested if statement, but this time we use a user-defined function. And after that, after the conversion has been computed and after it has been printed, it will ask again the user if they want to repeat the whole process again. Now let's proceed to operation 4, the formula library. So here first, we have the available formulas. So we have 3 categories: differential, integral, then physics. Then the user will input the category from A to C. Then if they choose A, it will be going to another nested if statement. So if A will show the available formulas for differential calculus, then the user will be asked in what formula from this 10. Then the number that they choose will be directed into this nested if statement. So for example, they choose number 10, then it will show the logarithmic function formula. Again, after that, we'll ask the user if they want to repeat the whole process. Now for number 5, we have the contents for the information for the Batangas State University. So we have here 8 contents. Then the user will input the content from 1 to 8. Then it corresponds to another nested if statement. Then this is the first loop that I said earlier, and it will ask the user if they want to exit. If yes, it will break, and if no, it will proceed back to the main menu again. So now let's try. So now to access Jhon calculator, let's press 1. As you can see, here are the available subjects. Now let's try to calculate 2 subjects. So for the first subject, we have Science 402. Then for the second subject, we have GED 103. So let's say we have 2 for a grade for science, then that is 3 units. Then for grade, we have 1.5, then 3 units. We have the computed general weighted average of 1.75 that corresponds to a verbal interpretation of good. So let's not repeat this, and let's not exit.
If you want to access lesson link library, just input to enter. This is all the subjects, for example physics, letter E, enter. Lesson number, this is all the lessons. For example, lesson 2, just enter 2. So this is the lesson link for lesson 2.
If you want to access conversion calculator, press 3, enter. Now see 15 available unit conversion. Let's try meter to centimeter, press 1, enter. For example, 3 meter, press 3. The conversion from meter to centimeter is 300 centimeter.
To access the essential formulas in Sparsistance, enter 4. And here are the available formulas. Type C for physics. And here are the essential formulas in physics. To ask the formula in density, type 8. And this is the formula.
Now, to access the school information option, type 5 and enter. Here we can see the available contents. Let's try to option number 1, type 1 and enter. Now, we can see the campus location.
And that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you like our project. And if you want to have the full experience of the Sparsistance, here is the QR code for that video. And that's all. Thank you for watching and goodbye.